Very one simple food could help your kidneys flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and even lower your blood pressure naturally. The truth is, your kidneys are detox powerhouses, filtering over 50 gallons of blood every day. But when they are overworked, waste starts to build up, and that's when fatigue, swelling, and even high blood pressure sneak in. The good news, there is a one food that's been shown in a multiple study to revitalize kidney function and protect them from damage, and it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Your kidneys aren't just filters, they're chemical factories that balance minerals, hormones, and water in your blood. But processed foods, excess salt, and dehydration cause macroscopic damage that slowly leads to chronic kidney disease. That's why supporting your kidneys naturally through food is one of the most powerful health investments you can make. And today, we'll look at the number one best food to cleanse your kidneys, plus other powerful nutrients that work with it to restore healthy filtration. Yes, the humble cucumber is around 95% water, rich in potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. But what makes it special is its natural diuretic power. That means it helps your body flush out extra sodium, uric acid, and toxins through urine. Cucumber also contain compounds called lignans and cucurbitacins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. In animal studies, cucumber extract even protect against drug-induced kidney injury by lowering creatinine and urea levels. Think of cucumber as your kidneys' hydration broom, sweeping away waste and cooling down inflammation. The kidneys rely on hydration and an electrolyte balance to function properly. When you're dehydrated, calcium and uric acid can crystallize, forming kidney stones. Cucumbers provide hydration plus alkalizing minerals that dissolve those crystals before they become a problem. The natural antioxidants, like vitamin C and beta-carotene, reduce oxidative stress, one of the root causes of kidney cell aging. This makes cucumber not just cleansing, but protective, helping prevent chronic kidney disease and related cardiovascular risk. Too much sodium is one of the biggest threats to your kidneys. It raises blood pressure and forces your kidneys to retain water and dilute the salt. Over time, this pressure damages the delicate nephrons, the tiny filters in your kidneys. Cucumbers are rich in potassium, which naturally balances sodium by encouraging fluid excretion. Research showed that higher dietary potassium intake is associated with a lower risk of a kidney disease progression. Means cucumber help your body flush sodium and protect your blood vessels, a double win for kidney health. High uric acid levels lead to gut and kidney stones. Cucumbers help by increasing urine output and alkalizing the urine, which prevents uric acid crystals from forming. In addition, the water-soluble fiber in cucumber supports the gut-kidney connection, helping the gut eliminate water before it ever reaches your kidneys. The green skin on cucumber isn't just decoration. It's loaded with chlorophyll, a detoxifying compound that binds to heavy metals and toxins. Chlorophyll also supports liver function, which indirectly lightens the detox load on your kidneys. A day rich in chlorophyll-containing foods, like cucumbers, parsley, and spinach, has been linked to improved kidney and liver biomarkers in clinical studies. A healthy gut equals healthy kidneys. Cucumbers feed beneficial gut bacteria with prebiotic fiber, which lowers inflammation and reduces toxin buildup. When your gut microbiome thrives, fewer nitrogen-based wastes reach your kidneys, allowing them to regenerate more effectively. If you're learning something new, hit like and subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next science-based guide on the natural healing and organ detox. Hydrate smarter. Drink enough water, but don't overdo it. Aim for a clear urine, not excessive amounts. Add cucumber slices or lemon juice for an electrolyte-rich boosts. Proper hydration supports kidney filtration and flushes uric acid effectively. Add more alkaline, water-rich foods. Besides cucumber, eat celery, watermelon, zucchini, and lettuce, all high in water, potassium, and fiber. Those foods lower kidney workload and reduce the risk of stones. Reduce processed salt and sugar. Salt and sugar are kidneys' enemy. Excess sodium increases blood pressure. Excess sugar triggers insulin resistance, which damage the kidney's microvessels. Replace processed snacks with the cucumber strips. Cucumber juices for powerful cleanse combo. Get enough magnesium. Magnesium prevents calcium from binding with oxalates, a key cause of kidney stones. Include foods like avocado, spinach, and pumpkin seeds, or take magnesium glycinate supplement. After consulting your healthcare provider, move more, sweat more. Physical activity improves blood flow to the kidneys and help your blood eliminate toxins through sweat. Even a 30-minute brisk walk daily can reduce kidney disease risk and support natural cleansing. Your kidneys are incredible, but they need help to stay that way. By simply adding cucumber and other water-rich, mineral-balanced foods to your daily diet, you can help your body flush out toxins, balance fluids, and protect your kidneys for life. Remember, health doesn't come from harsh detoxes. It comes from small, consistent choices that let your organs do what they were designed to do: heal and cleanse naturally.